What is the first step in the information life cycle? That is generation. Information is generated from data analysis. Which of the following is primary sources of information generation? Surveys. What tool is often used in information generation through interviews? Tape recorder. Generated information becomes valuable when it is analyzed. A journal article based on new research is an example of generated information. Which method is not typically used to generate information? Data type. A key attribute of generated information is relevancy. Data collected in real-time environment is called real-time data. Information is said to be generated when new knowledge is created. Quantitative data is primarily generated through measurements. Generating data through interviews is classified as qualitative. Generated information becomes meaningful when context is provided. What type of research helps in information generation? Empirical. Information generation in scientific method begin with the problem identification. Which of the following generates secondary information? Journal article review. Generated information should align with research goals. What is essential before generating information? That is identification of the objectives. Primary data is mostly generated through interviews. What factor improves the quality of generated data? Proper methodology. A key output of information generation is process data. Observation is considered a data generation techniques. The act of formulating question to extract data is called survey design. A hypothesis leads to the information generation. Generated data must be valid and reliable. A source for secondary data includes government database. Information that is generated and shared immediately is called real-time data. Data generated using a thermometer is an example of quantitative data. Which of the following aids information generation in field of research? That is tape recorder. The quality of generated data depends on the collection methodology. Field notes are an example of the primary data source. Generated information should be accurate and timely. The output of data analysis is process information. A researcher generates information by designing experiments. Generated information used to support conclusions is called evidence. Effective tools for generating information includes statistical software. Structured interviews leads to the uniform data generation. Generated data is meaningful when it serves a specific purpose. Information generation contributes to decision making. Generated information from customer feedback helps in business improvements. Generated data during research is also known as the primary evidence. Data generated through sensors is typically automated. An essential feature of generated information is timeliness. Raw data becomes meaningful when labeled and classified. Real-time generation is needed in the emergency services. Generated data that includes public opinion is qualitative. Good data generation eliminates bias and error. A software tool that aids in generating data is Microsoft Excel. Information generation must be systematic and logical. Which of the following contributes directly to information generation? That is observing natural behavior.